I'm
gonna go slow.
Oh god, ooh, this gross. Oh god, slow down, slow down. Oh my god, oh fucking gross. Oh,
it's going right there. It's right there. It's going this way. It's going this way.
Slow. Oh god, oh.
It's gotta go, nigga.
Oh, slow down.
It's going. You're moving. Calm down. Look, let it come out.
Is it squirting out?
Oh god, oh gosh.
Oh, she videoing it.
Get
the pliers.
I'm going slow. Slow.
Oh my god.
What's my camera there? You got to go around the outside and milk it like an udder.
Slow. It's hurting me.
Oh. It wasn't even that bad.
Damn. Slow.
Like the other way should be brown like yogurt.
Slow.
Hey,
It hurts.
Do I get
No, it's gotta come out there.
points for licking that shit?
Slow.
I ain't touching it. Look.
Oh my god, slow. Oh my god.
Look, you gotta squeeze from the top, man.
Oh.
Yeah, flip the other way now. Man, where's the gloves at? You better put on some gloves, bro.
Oh yeah,
this shit's fucking.
I'm not letting the chicken touch me. I'm not letting it touch me, baby.
Okay.
You ready?
No, not really. Oh, you're videoing it?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I just stopped it.
I can't see. I need your light though.
Oh.
Put your light back on there.
Oh.
Oh,
there it goes.
You gotta get all the way around.
Let me just push it.
Ow.
There it goes. It's going out.
Oh.
So you not go back the other way.
We need different sock, or you need to rinse that out or something.
You need another sock.
Get out of your way.
Throw this in the trash.
Go get another sock.
It's going.
Go get another
That shit going. Hey, that shit looks like it's going.